Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we tackle a common problem that many dual boot system users face. So, the problem at hand is migrating a dual boot system from LegacyBIOS to EFI without the need to reinstall everything. Quite a daunting task, right? Now, let's dive into the solution. The key here is to consider investing in another SSD. By partitioning the new drive as GPT and migrating your Linux system to EFI, you can install a bootloader into the EFI partition. Then, move all your extension 4 partitions from the Windows drive to the new one. Once that's done, you can remove the extension 4 partitions from the Windows drive, leaving only Windows on it. Easy peasy. In summary, investing in a new SSD is the way to go. By migrating your Linux system to EFI on the new drive and transferring your extension 4 partitions, you'll be on your way to a seamless dual boot setup. Remember, the key is careful partitioning and organization. Alright folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy computing!